Hello, we are here in the Printiverse with Fabian Prudhomme of Enfocus, and we're going to be talking about Pit Stop Connect. Tell us why this is something designers should be interested in.
Well, Pit Stop Connect was created specifically to improve the collaboration between printers, publishers, and graphic designers. Our other products, Pit Stop Pro and Pit Stop Server, are applications that were created on the printer side or the publisher side so that you could open, edit, and correct PDF files. Whereas with Pit Stop Connect, it's a different aspect. It's actually a software application that is purchased by the printers, by the publishers, but they create droplets which they put on the designer's side. This allows designers to create a PDF file and only send a PDF file to the printer or the publisher after it's been pre-filed on their end.
Right.
So before a designer sends a file to the printer, it gets pre-filed on his own desktop through that droplet, which has the job specifications from the printer.
Right.
If the PDF file is deemed good enough or correct according to the printer standards, it will go through and onto the printer. If it doesn't, it will stay at the designer with a report of what's wrong with the PDF file. He can correct this PDF file and then pre-file it again and send it on to the printer.
Now, I know that before I turned the camera on, we were discussing, when I make a PDF, I just go into my software program, I choose PDF, and I choose one of the settings, PDFX, a print quality. But how come, what sort of additional manipulation to a PDF is needed? That's what I'm not understanding.
Well, today printers want to get a lot more out of the PDF file than they used to. So they're working a lot with metadata, XML, basically a bunch of information that resides within the PDF that can be reused later for different purposes.
Okay.
And typically graphic designers are not trained to make a PDF file that contains all the right elements.
I know that.
So on the one hand, we kind of have an issue with the way graphic designers are trained or not trained to create the perfect PDF file. And that's actually, that gap of knowledge is something that we've tried to resolve through software applications.
Now, but do you think designers should be responsible for the pre-press, or do you think that the way things have gone, they are responsible now for it and they need the training? Because most of the designers I know design, and the studio people or the digital production people make the files printable, let's say.
Right.
But I believe now, a lot of those jobs are being combined, and the designers haven't had that training.
Correct.
Do you guys offer training in those areas for PDFs?
We offer webinars on how to create good PDF files.
Right.
We offer some resources through our website and through our channel to improve the knowledge or increase knowledge of the designers.
Right.
To us, it's not so much a question of who's responsible for what. It's really improve the communication between the designers and the printers, and cutting down on the going back and forth of these files, correcting them, redoing them, resending them.
Right.
It's basically increasing the productivity of everybody and the overall satisfaction of the printers and the graphic designers.
Okay, great. Well, how can people find out about your software?
Here at Graph Expo, booth 246, obviously. www.enfocus.com.
Okay.
Just contact us, send us an email, and then we'd be happy to answer questions or help you any way we can.
Great. And there's schedules of seminars and webinars and stuff on your website as well?
It's listed on our website. They can always be requested as well, so we'll do custom webinars or seminars.
Oh, great.
So, yeah, we're pretty flexible.
Okay, thank you so much. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.